got a collective haul to share with you. I have been shopping, as you could see in the little intro that I put together with some clips from the shop where I went to buy all of these goodies that's going to be in this haul. Well, not all of them, because I have actually bought some stuff online, and I might actually start with those, the things I bought online. For a while, I have wanted to get the Sisik's Big Shot Plus. So this month I said, you know what? I'm gonna get the Big Shot Plus. So I got that big machine, it's massive, off Amazon. And I love Amazon Prime. It arrives in a day. It's just perfect. You have it delivered to your door. You don't need to, you know, carry a big heavy machine throughout a shop. It's just so much easier with Amazon. So I bought the Big Shot Plus, and then online I also got some dies, and they are already in their die storage, so I'm not going to grab them and show you, but they are some Anna Griffin dies and her easel card house dies. I mean, I just have wanted them for so long since they were released, and they are very expensive. She has some very expensive prices on her dies, but I just wanted them, and I felt like, you know what, I'm going to spoil myself. So I bought the dies, and I had them delivered. Let's start with this haul, and I should not babble anymore. I can go on and on and on. So I picked up a distressing tool. I had been eyeing this and like comparing it to the Sisik's one that Tim Holtz has, but I went with this because it's so much cheaper, and yeah, it's a distressing tool. Distresses the sides of paper to get that vintage look that I like. If this is not good, I might just buy the Sisik's one, but for now I'm going with the cheapy one because it's cheaper. And then in the store I picked up something that I had seen a video, I mean this must be years ago, that Sybil, my friend Sybil, she's raving about. I think it might not be her, it might be someone else, but I think it's her. The Novo glitter gloss pens. And they were quite pricey in the shop, but I've never tried them, and I've heard really good reviews of them, I think. It might just have been made up in my mind because I wanted to buy them. But yeah, so I picked up 2 pens in this set. Glitter gloss, add a subtle silver shimmer effect. So 2 of those. And then I bought myself a craft organizer for a while. I don't know why. I mean, like, don't ask me. But I've been keeping all of my little trinkets and embellishments and sequins and stuff like that in plastic bags. And when I was cleaning out and redoing my craft room, which I've actually redone again, so the video that you might have seen is old now because I've actually redone it again and added another shelf unit. Yeah, when I was redoing it, I just realised that all of my sequins and stuff were in bags, and it's not as good as having it in an organizer. So I bought this one, and I should have bought that ages ago, but I don't know why I hadn't. Just, but now I've got one, so I'm going to put all of my little trinkets and embellishments and stuff in that. Then I got this, Glossy Accents. I've had it, it's perfect. I've got half a bottle left, but the reason I bought another one is because the fine tip on it, somehow I destroyed the fine tip on the one I've got. So I can't use it on tiny little die cuts anymore. I can just use it if I want to like do kind of like big blobs of it. So I picked up another one just because the old one I can use for bigger projects, and this one I can use for like when I want to use the fine tip and use precise application. So I got some of that. And then I picked up some dies because they had a sale going on. So this is from Cut and Make. I've never heard about this company before, but I guess they're a die cutting company. $2.50, really cheap. Amazing price for this set. is everything from sister, brother, mum, son, daughter to happy birthday. Just a perfect die set really to have for card making. And then I picked up this die from, is it Sweet Diva? I guess that's the company, Sweet Diva. And £2, and you get this beautiful dress and hanger. And I thought that could create such a lovely little card actually, with maybe 3 different dresses cut out in lovely paper. I got some absolutely gorgeous paper that I'm going to show you, and the size of it was really good as well. So for £2 I could not buy it. Then I bought this birthday cake, and I did not realise until I got home actually. I was just looking at this size and I was thinking, oh, that's a perfect size. But when I turned it around, it was tiny. It was not as big as I had expected it to be. So yeah, I was disappointed about that. But I mean, like, the price, £2, that's nothing. But I don't like when they are kind of making the image larger than the die. I mean, that's tiny. That was not the cake size I wanted. I wanted that, but hey ho. And then the last die set I bought is from Hunky Dory, and this was such an amazing price actually. This is from their Moonstone collection, £4, which is really good. Really, really good. Hunky Dory. I mean, I went to a shop, this was a few months back, pre-COVID, but they sold this for about, I think, £14. So £4. I mean, like, that's £10 cheaper. So really, really good. And the butterflies are lovely as well. So I've got a few butterfly dies that I need to probably sell, but I'm going to keep this set because I like the size of the butterflies, and I also like how they look. So a perfect set. And then I picked up some embellishments. I got some wooden shapes. I love to use these on cards, just great. And then I got some of these wooden shapes with roses. I've got some puffy stickers. I love using this on cards, like a little sentiment for a special friend. And then I got some toppers. And then last but definitely not least, I got these wooden frames, which will be lovely to use on some cards. And then we have got the paper pads. I got 5 paper pads because the price was so amazing. £3 each for a 12 by 12 paper stack. And this is not paper, this is actually cardstock. So it's very thick, and I love working with thick cardstock. It's the best. I'm not a big fan of like paper, yeah, like the thin one. I like using cardstock, and I mean, these were gorgeous collections. So let me share with you. I'm just gonna grab you a little bit further up here and pull you up so you can actually see. I'm gonna move that cutting board, and I'm going to move this so you can actually see the collection. So starting off, we got basic vintage, £3, and I mean, look at this. The colours are gorgeous, just fabulous. All the colours you need, the base colours, just perfect. And for £3, that is amazing. And I know I will go back and buy another one, because having those basic colours but a little bit vintagey is just perfect when you do die cutting. The next set I've already picked up once before, and I used it totally. I haven't got any of the paper left because it's so pretty, and just the cardstock quality is great, and it's from Make and Create. The same with this one, it's from Make and Create. And this set is like the name, a lovely mystery, just like rainbows and fairy tales and like the sky and space and snow, and the colours are just gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I mean, for £3, you need to pick that up. I have so much paper, but I love using paper, and I will always buy paper. Paper is life. And then I picked up a Christmas collection. This is Perfect Christmas, £3 as well, 24 sheets, double-sided, 230 GSM, acid-free. I mean, like, it's amazing, just amazing. And then this collection is so pretty, just so Christmassy. The colours are nice, just beautiful. Classic Christmas colours. What more can you ask for? I mean, like, just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And I love this. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Just so pretty. And then, okay, Sybil, if you watch this far, I know I babbled for a long time. What do you think of this? Warm and cozy. I know you love autumn like I do, or fall as they call it in America. This collection is so pretty, and it's from Craft Sensations. Just look at this paper. Look at the oak leaves. I mean, look at this. This is so pretty. It's just gorgeous. It's just so autumny, this paper pad, that I really don't know what to say. It's just gorgeous. I might go back and buy another one of these just because it's the perfect autumn collection paper pad. It's just so pretty, just gorgeous. And did I miss one of these papers here? Let me see. So I didn't miss it. Oh, this one. Look at that. That is beautiful. Like maple leaf. Ah, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I'm so happy with this. The best find today, I think. And then I got lilac florals. Also 24 sheets and the same kind of nice cardstock. This is just so pretty. The hydrangea, I think it's called hydrangea there. The purples, the butterflies. You've got some letters. Ah, I mean, look at that. That is pretty, isn't it? It's just this kind of pretty lavender coloured paper pad. Just perfect. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Yep, just perfect. I mean, come on, £3 each. I was so happy when I found these. I never look at their paper because I'm a little bit of a paper snob. I like nice paper like Stamperia and Minte and yeah, like Graphic 45 I like as well, even though I prefer Minte and Stamperia over them. But I like Lemoncraft paper and stuff like that, and their paper is gorgeous. So I'm always like walking past these and I'm like, nah, it's not gonna be nice. I like my die cut sheets. But then I took actually a look today and I was like, my word, I shouldn't be so judgmental. These are gorgeous. These will be perfect for cards. So yeah, that was my ginormous haul, and I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you have, push a little thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!